And here's another pair of porta potties here on this construction site. There's another one down there I'll check out too. These are ready light. Let's check both of these out. Got our 1-800 number here to call. Got all kind of graffiti written on here. Carlos is the man. Urinal's yucky. Toilet's yucky. More graffiti. Got our vent pipes here. Missing one roll of toilet paper, the big rolls. Some more graffiti. And we have toilet paper on the floor. More graffiti. It's like this was last cleaned 12/11. And the door handle's broke on it. Let's go check the next one out. This one's bad. Same kind, just like that one. Oh gosh, this one's even worse. Hey, this one's got a soap dispenser. Urinal's awful. It's like it was cleaned. They wrote on here 12/11. Got our vent pipe. Pretty much the same as the other one. Got some graffiti that's been scratched through. Toilet's awful. Hopefully I didn't show that. And this one has a regular toilet paper dispensers here. It's like one's full, one's partial. Let's go outside and look at both of these. This handle's not broke on this one. Looks like a muddy mess behind here, so I'm not going to walk behind there. I'm going to rate both of these poor, very poor.